I want big girls. Where are the big girls? Where are the big girls? I'm a big girls and no more. Where are the big girls? Positive and Bio. Where are the big boys? I want to go big boys. A round of applause for yourselves, please. Everybody is looking beautiful. No, boring. Somebody shall get the idea, sir. It's not easy to be here when Lagos is celebration 50. 50 just like that. And we are alive. We are looking beautiful. We have work to do. We have food to eat. We are seeing our children. We are marrying. We are burning. A round of applause for yourselves, please. I'm so delighted to be here tonight. My name is Funke Akindele Bello, aka Jennifer Suliake. I'm on Juicy Lagos. I'm from Ikorodu now. Suliake Lagos. Yes, so I want to tell you a story of my journey into success. Yeah, success. My success story is starting in Lagos. Yeah, it's starting. And over the year, it's not easy because good things don't come easy. I hope you know that. If good things come easy, it's either you are born one night or doing something terrible. But if you struggle to climb the ladder of success, you will make it eventually. A round of applause for the successful people here tonight. I remember, I go primary school, I go secondary school, I go refast, I go polytechnic, I go refast, all in Lagos State. Yeah, when I finish, I go audition, left, right, front, back, center. They go to tell me no, all in Lagos. So people come and meet me, why don't you relocate, son? Yeah, you have go audition, they don't pick you. Why are you still staying here in Lagos? I come and tell that person. I say, relax. How we make it here in Lagos? That person look me, Yemu, what you have that is special? You don't have anything special. So if you go at this one, you go speak English. They will not give you the road to play. I say, is this person right? The person say, relocation abroad. Yeah, if you go abroad, you see work. And you see everything there, I said, a coin now need to make here. And ladies and gentlemen, over the year 2004, I hammer in this Lagos learning. I do Geneva. How many people want Geneva here? Remember that girl from Ayetoro? He come to Lagos, that storyline. I make it here in that same Lagos. After that Geneva, I look and say, oh, that God, last time say, I do Yoruba vim, English vim, all in Lagos. Yeah, and they are making money. I have accounts now. My account is really up. All in Lagos. After that one, I come and say, okay, what's next? Geneva. They say Geneva again. What is special in your Geneva? I say, watch out for Geneva Diary. And I start Geneva Diary. All in Lagos. And now, I have become a big girl in Lagos. Did I relocate, son? All my success is here in Lagos. All I want to tell you now, don't mind my spoken English. If I use my mouth to cut chicken for you, don't took it. It's the money I have, I want to borrow you. Say, who pressed that thing? Who pressed it? Wait, all I want to tell you is that in this Lagos that you are his, you will make it. It may look rough. No worry. Stay focused and you get your destination. A round of applause for yourself, please. Thank you so much for having me here tonight. I remain Olufunke Akindele Bello, aka Jennifer, all the way from Ikorodu Oga, Itaro, our last giddy. Thank you so much. Do you know who is around? Do you know who is around? She can eat for Africa. Put your hands together for Ajaku Jennifer.
It's not your fault. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hear the shouting? Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here. I want to speak English so that they will know I go school small. I'm a lawyer by training. All protocol, I'm standing on top of it. It doesn't matter. Boba warming, go warming, see out of there. How many of you know say recession is affecting everybody? Honestly. And you about the recession, even in the spiritual realm, there is recession here. And what agenda don't make it. Do you know who Ajay is? Witches and wizards. Aye Bakon, host enough him move. Shubani say everybody is managing. Straw they go one point by him. Even the straw they cut it into two. So that you say put here there. Because recession is outside the Kamaba Shirabaka. Have you not been so? Recession is affecting people like me, like Precious too. Can't you see that before we were very but now we are going 15 years or plus. You have to lean to be in recession. You know? This recession, it has different kinds of signs that it shows to everybody. I've told you the spiritual side. Recession is affecting even Babalawo business. Now, if you want to do money ritual, Baba come up spirit in it. And here, show one central bank of spirit. And when never so for Baba pay, come so won't be, to Baba show go over when you want to bow. They say, all the spirits, but will not equal with Sufumbai. Because all the money that they used to use for money ritual, all our politicians are hiding it in cemetery. So anybody that want to do money ritual now, they have to give you wisdom. I want to want to blow. Money, you have to show go by your jalo, go down the new mobito. Wow. Show one later. How many of you know where whistle is? Where we can blow whistle? You know, when I come to a verse like this, I like to look front seat. They are the ones that we need to blow whistle for. All these women wearing boo-boo. Only God knows what is under the boo-boo. Look at me now. When I was preparing for the event, very simple preparation. I just had to hold something. When they asked me what, I said last button. So if you see any woman sitting next to you, that she is sweating in AC, it is the hardship that is going on underneath that is more than what is on top. Don't laugh too much, your mommy. I can say our vice president or our deputy governor here. You know many of you read at your Facebook, things fall apart. There are some of us that if you do too much, you will just see that things that are up will go, and you don't want that, Abby. Before I go, you know, when I was very young, there were many things that our mothers used to, you know, they used to use it to scare us. Hey, Gugu Kalaba, or Juju Kalaba, all of us will go around. Try it with today begin. Honestly, they will just be looking at you, my own children, they say, Mommy, what are you talking about? What's hey girl? They say, Bani, Ebu, what is the difference? Bani is Oyibo masculine. Our other Gugu, natural Nigerian masculine. So what's the difference? No difference. The children have seen them come out Bani's head and see somebody under. So how do you lie to them that Egungun is from heaven? One year around, I went for Drums Festival in Ogun State recently. I didn't know that around OKK can use microphone. Egungun got microphone, Daddy. Ebola come over microphone, all those things have been demystified. Before they used to make us believe that they are mystical people, untouchables. People like presidents, you don't think anything can happen to them. But these days that they are beginning to kidnap up. I want to go and now woman vacation. I want to vacation. So Baba Bejale, Omalati Bere, Ejoye Rumole, Share one lay. There, but it's in the Shogoba of people who want to show you that in 1965. Move on vacation. He won't, I should just be blowing fire. Clone, fellow Momileko, on Lone. And so please, so Obas, if you are going out now, make sure that you ask Kilode. Put your hands together for yourself. Thank you very much. My name is Lola Wan.